How to recover Facebook hacked account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type Facebook account hacked. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now tap on this article. Now scroll down. Now go to facebook.com/hacked link. Now select my account is compromised. Now search for your account. Enter your email address. Tap on continue. Now click on recover. Now log in into your account from the device you used to log in. In my case, I'm using another device, so it's not possible to log in from your account. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.